Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see a very important SQL concept. It is a real-time problem. So here you can see this is our orders table. Okay. So I want get those users who ordered 3 consecutive days. So here you can see their user ID. So user ID 1 ordered 1st January, 2nd January and 3rd January. So he ordered 3 consecutive days. So if you see user ID 2, he ordered 1st of January, then 3rd of January, then 4th of January. So he did not order 3 consecutive days. He ordered 2 consecutive days, 3 and 4. So I need to get only those customers who ordered 3 consecutive days. So how to do it? Let's see. So first what we will do, I need select, then user ID, okay, then order date. Okay. Now I need row number. So I need to give a row number date basis. Okay. So what I'll do, row number. Okay. Then I need a partition by. So partition by what? Partition by user ID, right? So I can write partition by user ID, order by order date. Okay. And I'll put it as rank. Okay. From orders. Now I'll put this in a city. Okay. So from this city, what I need, so what it will do, so it will create a rank order by date. Okay. So I need select user ID. Okay. I need only user ID. So user ID from city, group by user ID, and I need date add. So date add day, comma, minus RN. So I'll explain you what it is doing. Order date. Okay. Having count star is greater than or equals to 3. So if I run this one, sorry, yeah. So if I run this one, you will get 101 and 103. So what I am getting here, 101 3 consecutive days, and 103 05 06 and 07 3 consecutive days. Now how this one is working? Okay. So first of all, this one is creating a rank by days. So whenever it will get a user ID and partition by user ID, there are 101 is there are 3 rows for 101. So rank, what it will do, it will create 1 2 3 for user ID 1. So here you can see. So for user ID 1, he ordered January, 1st of January, 2nd of January and 3rd of January. So he got rank of 1 2 and 3. Okay. Now if you see here, why I am doing dated dated day of minus rank. So if you go here, so I am getting 3 ranks, right? For January 1 I am getting 1 rank, for January 2 I am getting 2 rank, for January 3 I am getting 3 rank. For 101, so minus rank means, so what it is doing, day minus rank. Okay, so from order date it is taking day, then it is doing the subtraction of the rank. So what it is doing, so day is here what, 1st of January, that means day is 1 and he got rank 1. So 1 minus 1, so the day will be 31st of December 2023. Here day is 2, okay, and rank is 2. So 2 minus 2, again he will get 31st of December. Day is 3, he got rank 3, that means again he will get 31st of December. That means for 101 we got 3 rows as same, right? That's why I am doing count star of these rows. Okay, count star is greater than or equals to 3. That means for 101 I am getting 3 rows same. Okay, if you see 102, he ordered 1st of December, 1st of January, and he got rank 1. So 1 minus 1, again he will get 31st of December. Again he ordered 3rd of December, 3rd of January. He ordered again 3rd of January, but he got the rank 2. 3 minus 2. So what he will get? He will get 1st of January 2024. Again he ordered 4th of January. So 4 minus 3, he will get again 1st of January. That means here I am not getting same order dates. I am getting uh, December and January. So it is not the consecutive days. So like this it is working. Okay. And I am doing group by of user ID. So on the basis of user ID it will work, and I am grouping by this days also. Okay, this one, and I am counting, it should not it should be greater than or equals to 3. So whichever I am getting 3 user IDs, the 2 user IDs, 101 and 103. So like this it is working. So in the next video we'll see how to do the same thing in DAX. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.